How to turn off two-step verification on WhatsApp. It is the feature on WhatsApp that adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a PIN in addition to the usual verification code. However, if you find this feature inconvenient, you can easily turn it off. This tutorial will guide you through the process of disabling two-step verification on WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Ensure to log in or sign in to your particular account. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Select the Settings option. In the Settings menu, select Account. Tap on Two-Step Verification. Now, in order to disable, tap on Turn Off and select Turn Off button if you are confirmed. That's it. Two-step verification has been turned off. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.